Hello, this is Madison Walsh reporting from the Chowtopian News Center. Breaking news. We have recently discovered two new processes called photosynthesis and solar respiration. We interviewed some bystanders who'd witnessed the discoveries. Excuse me, miss. Have you heard about the two new discoveries?
Yeah, who hasn't?
Well, can you tell us what you know about them?
The process is kind of confusing, but I know one of them. I think they refer to it as the light reactions.
Tell us more.
The ones that I know most is the light reactions. Light from the sun hits the plant and is absorbed in the chloroplast. In the chloroplast, the light is then absorbed by the thylakoid membranes. Water is used with the light as a form of energy. This whole process can only be in plant cells.
Good answer. Now we're going to go to one of the experts. Dr. Smanner Tita, what do you think about the light reactions?
To start off, the overall process is represented by 6 CO2, 6 H2O plus sunlight to get C6H12O6, which is glucose, plus 6 O2 as a byproduct. Maggie was right, the light reactions does take place in the thylakoid membrane. Water enters the thylakoid and is broken apart, giving the hydrogen to NAD+, the electron to photosystems 2, and the oxygen is a byproduct. The energy here is stored in the bonds of ATP and NADPH.
Okay. Here at Chowtopian University, many of the science majors are fascinated by the new discovery, including Faith Martin. Faith, tell us about what you think about the new discovery.
One part that sticks out to me the most is the Calvin cycle. It occurs in the stroma of the chloroplast. RUBP, a 5-carbon sugar, is catalyzed by an enzyme called rubisco. The product of this reaction is an unstable 6-carbon sugar that splits in half and converts to G3P. ATP and NADPH2 are then used to convert G3P into glucose and other sugars. It takes 6 turns of the Calvin cycle to get 1 molecule of glucose.
Thank you for sharing your knowledge on the subject, Faith Martin. Cellular respiration is the process where cells break down organic compounds made in photosynthesis into energy. There are two main parts of cellular respiration, glycolysis and aerobic respiration. Now Dr. Tita and I will further explain this process.
Glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm. In glycolysis, one 6-carbon sugar molecule is oxidized to form a 3-carbon pyruvic acid. It takes 2 ATP molecules to produce 1 glucose molecule. When there is no oxygen available, fermentation will occur. Either alcoholic fermentation or lactic acid fermentation will take place. During alcoholic fermentation, pyruvic acid is converted to ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. During lactic acid fermentation, an enzyme converts pyruvic acid into lactic acid, which will build up in the muscles. There are 2 parts of aerobic respiration. The Krebs cycle takes place in the mitochondrial matrix, and the electron transport chain occurs in the cristae membrane of the mitochondria. In the Krebs cycle, pyruvic acid reacts with coenzyme A to form acetyl-CoA. NADH and FADH2 are produced from the Krebs cycle, which are used to power the electron transport chain.
Okay, photosynthesis and cellular respiration are opposites of each other. When looking at the formulas, you can see that all the products are the reactants of the other. Oxygen and glucose are produced by photosynthesis, and which are broken down by cellular respiration. Carbon dioxide and water and energy are the products of cellular respiration, which is used to power photosynthesis. Photosynthesis takes place only in plants, but respiration takes place in both plants and animals. Thank you for tuning in to Chowtopian Newsroom 1. We hope you enjoyed the program on the recent discovery of photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Cellular respiration.
Patty, it's cellular with 3 syllables. Cellular.